Hello everyone, they will do this split and how to do that position. I will show you some exercises which help you to do that. So let's start. So first what you're starting to do, we will get seated in this position and our leg going on the floor and back. 2, 3, 4, and guys, if you want good splits, stay with me and we will continue. Okay, after that we will try to do circle our legs, so we do all this side. So 2 and 3 and change, and another side. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, after that we will take on the knees, take stretch leg and push up our body in this pose and take stretch leg. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, try taking cover leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and on 5, try take our hips up. Okay, good work. Slowly take stretch in this side. Take our breathe. Slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it. Subscribe me and take me like so. Bye bye.